Hi guys, so here we are going to start the lecture of soft skill development, which is the last subject. Most students don't take this subject for granted. Take is mostly people take this subject as English subject, but actually it's a very important subject to develop your strength, your communication ability, lots of things. I am really going to work hard on this subject. I am going to share you various videos of various YouTubers to your WhatsApp group, and you can watch those uh, videos and you can develop yourself. Okay, this subject is came to our syllabus to develop your soft skill, means personality, your technical skill, your professional skill. Because after the graduation, where you are going to go? You are going to go to the software industry, where what is that? It is a corporate life where you need to communicate better. You should have a soft skill. You need to behave better. Lots of things will come to your way. You have to harness those skills. I'm going to teach you whole subject. Before doing that, I'm going to go through all the syllabus of this subject. This subject will have 3 weekly lecture, and it will have 2 credit, 2 lecture per 3 week, per week 3 credit, 2 per week 3 lectures. Okay, so it's going to have personality development. So what does the personality means? People follows different kind of personality. Here you need to develop your own, knowing yourself, positive thinking, Johari's windows. You are going to see it all detail. Verbal communication skill, physical fitness, communication skill, etc., etc. In emotional intelligence is quite important. Let's see what is. Let's see little bit thing about emotional intelligence. You should know self-awareness, social awareness, and relationship management. These are the things comes under emotional intelligence. Basically, people tends to have more IQ. Along with the IQ, you should have emotional intelligence as well. If someone is in stress, you have to तुम्ही त्याचा स्ट्रेस बाहेर काढण्यासाठी प्रयत्न करायला हवा. त्यासाठी तुमच्याकडे इमोशनल इंटेलिजन्स तेवढा असायला हवा. त्याला स्ट्रेसमधून कसं बाहेर काढता येईल. खूप जनरल थिंग आहे ही, बट यू शूड हॅव दोज थिंग्स. देन देअर कम्स द इटिकेट्स अँड मॅनर्स. इटिकेट्स मीन्स वॉट? लेट मी गिव्ह यू अ सिम्पल एक्झाम्पल. इफ यू आर सिटिंग इन अ bus and a old lady comes, you offers your seat. That is the etiquette. In manners, you people knows about manner, how to talk properly to elders, how to talk properly with the principal, with the teacher, with the co-student. This is the etiquettes and manners. And today's communication, there are various types in today's communication. Intercultural communication. Suppose there are different kind of thing. Let me give a simple example. If you goes in a country, suppose if you go in an Arabian country, and if you someone offers you to have a dinner at their place, and if you reject it, they will find it a really rude kind of behavior. And if you goes to somewhere else, if you go to Japan and you hug someone, it will be treated differently. And if you go to the Western country, if you hug someone, it will be okay. Different culture has different kind of communication way. Someone shakes hand, someone just keep a hand, or someone, some different culture has different kind. Even if you are in India, various part of India has various kind of communication way. Then we are going to see the academic skill. what are the academic? Employment communication. Employment communication starts with your introduction and resume. Resume means curriculum weight. You need to prepare your biodata. Basically, we call it as a biodata for novice person, and you need to form that resume. You need to place all your achievement there, all your hobbies there. You need to place up your goals there, etc., etc. If you goes to some corporate world, then you need to prepare your presentation. You need to orally present that. You need to face the job interview, group discussions. All those are comes up with academic skills. And then there comes the professional skills. Creativity at workplace. If you are working in a corporate world, what those are the creativity there? There are creativity, ethical values, capacity building, learn, unlearn, relearn, learn, unlearn. You are surely going to unlearn something. You need to relearn those things. Leadership and team building. You have to be leader someday. After the 5-year experience, 10-year experience, you have to be a leader there in any kind of corporate world. Decision making and negotiation. If you need to deal with the client, you need to negotiate, and you need to make a decision. If you are a leader, then you need to build all those kind of things, all those kind of skills. Stress and time management. Obviously, if you are working in a corporate world, you surely going to get a stress. How to manage those stress? Corporate world has different kind of stress management skills there. Different kind of stress management strategies are there, well built there. If you are working in a multinational company, there are the stress management people there who manages stress of their employee. And time management, you have to complete that project within a proper time. So that is what the you have to. We are having just 3 minutes, and per week only 3 lecture will be of soft skill development. I am going to share with you this video as well as other professional video on WhatsApp group. Okay, I can't share other professionals video on my Google Classroom. I will share it here on WhatsApp. Okay, this is the introduction of this subject. This subject has practical as well. This subject has practical. Which practical? Let's see, practical, it has practical or not. I think it has practical. Let me see. No, there is no practical for it. No practical for the subject. If any, I think in a syllabus there is no practical, means there is no practical. Okay, thank you so much.